Hey everyone! You know how hard it is to find a good corner lamp that actually delivers? I've been on a mission, and honestly, I've spent my own cash buying and testing the top 5 LED corner floor lamps out there, so you don't have to waste your time or money. Let's jump in and see which ones really light up a room.
Product number 1. Govee RGB IC Floor Lamp, Basic. First up, the Govee RGB IC Floor Lamp. When I unboxed this, it felt pretty solid with its aluminum poles and base, definitely not flimsy. Setting it up was straightforward, and the silicone light strip felt durable. What really impressed me during my testing was the RGB IC tech. Being able to set different colors for each segment made a huge difference in creating unique moods. I loved how it synced with music during a party. It really brought the room to life. Plus, controlling it with Alexa was super convenient. If you want a smart lamp with tons of customization and good build quality, this one's a winner.
Product number 2. Meteor Corner Floor Lamp. The Meteor Corner Floor Lamp felt surprisingly light yet sturdy when I put it together, and I didn't even need tools, which was a nice bonus. During my use, the 16 million colors and 68 modes gave me endless options for setting the vibe, whether I was chilling or gaming. The app control was simple to navigate, and the remote was handy for quick adjustments. The music sync feature with its built-in microphone was responsive and created a cool, immersive experience. If you're looking for a versatile lamp with easy controls and a lifetime warranty, this is a great pick.
Product number 3. OYN Smart RGB ICW LED Corner Floor Lamp. Holding the OYN lamp, it felt well constructed, and it was easy to move around once assembled. The RGB ICW color technology really stood out, letting me mix colors beautifully for different occasions. I used it for a small get-together, and the dynamic effects were awesome. I also found the music sync to be really effective, making movie nights much more immersive. With 16 million colors and 68 modes, I never ran out of options. The app and remote controls were both intuitive. Just a heads up though, it doesn't work with Alexa or Google Assistant. Product number 4. Lucky Style Smart RGB plus IC Corner Floor Lamp. The Lucky Style lamp had a really interesting feel to it with its upgraded portable base. It felt stable, and I liked that it had no shadows when lit. The RGB plus IC technology genuinely made it brighter than other lamps I've tried, which was a noticeable improvement. Controlling it with the app, remote, or even the control box on the lamp itself offered a lot of flexibility. The music sync was on point, really getting into the rhythm of my playlists. This is perfect if you want a bright, portable lamp with multiple control options and a unique, patented design. Product number 5. Ledagic LED Corner Floor Lamp USB Powered. The Ledagic lamp immediately felt different because of its USB power, which made it super portable. I even powered it with a power bank. It felt lightweight but still well made, and the ability to choose how many sections to install meant I could adjust its height, which was pretty clever. The RGBW colors were vibrant, and the app and remote offered full control over brightness, scenes, and modes. I also appreciated the memory function, so it always turned on to my last setting. This is fantastic if you need a truly portable USB-powered lamp. Outro. So there you have it, my top 5 LED corner floor lamps. Each one brings something unique to the table, and I hope my testing helps you find the perfect light for your space. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing and more details on each product. Thanks for watching.